looking at the markets, like talking about BTC specifically, right? It's up 5% over the last 24 hours, and there's a few different things to think about. It's over 101,000 US dollars to one Bitcoin today, and there's a few interesting things. Month over month, it is up 32% as of right now. And I know we talked about this before, but I mean, show me another asset in another equity or another asset class where you can get 32% return in a month. And I'll buy that too. So it was pretty interesting to see when we said it was a buying opportunity and we were buying ourselves, that it turned out to be, the right thing. And, I think we have to look and see where we think it is relative to its value. And a few things to consider that are, who else is buying? What's the buying pressure? Michael Saylor is, saying now phrasing his BTC pricing, saying you can buy a BTC for less than 0.2 million. So that's one way to phrase it. You have BlackRock and Fidelity both buying, several, $30+ million worth of Bitcoin yesterday. Fidelity bought almost 40 million. And at the same time, the funding rates have turned negative on BTC just recently. So a couple things in the market. If you're looking at the technical patterns show that it's a breakout pattern, but not necessarily cut and dry in terms of whatever technicals. And I take technicals with a grain of salt when it comes to BTC because it's so impacted by psychology. But the overall markets seem like the volume is increasing and it's there.